Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So
this is a reminder of taking daily medicine. This is a reminder of taking daily medicine.
welcome back to Vlogmas day number 3. So you guys, we already filmed this, but I'm doing the intro late. But Alana had a youth group thing. What was it? A youth group? She goes to youth group on Sunday nights. And so she wanted to get some gifts for some friends. And we saw...
Sorry, Mom, I just think that was going to happen.
I actually saw, she didn't see it, but I saw a video done by Katherine from Do It on a Dime with this really cute Dollar Tree gift idea. And so I was like, hey, Alana, let's try to recreate this. So we had to get a little creative because the little ramekin that she... The little ramekin that she used from Dollar Tree, our Dollar Tree did not have any of those. So we got creative. We think they turned out very well. So I'm going to show you a small little clip of her video, just a tiny piece where that gift idea is. And then I am going to show you what we did and then have Alana tell you what her friends thought and how it all worked out. And then we'll close up the video. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe, all the things.
Next, the Dollar Tree always has loofahs and bath bombs. These are products that you can find in any store. Combine them with a small container or cup, whatever you want. One loofah, one bath bomb, and then tie with a ribbon. You can even add a bow on top to look like a cherry. This would make a great teacher gift idea. I just love these sweet treats.
Okay, here, just get everything out. Just put everything that we need out. Hey, do you have the phone? Oh, there it is.
Okay.
So what's your name? Right here. For that. So let's, okay, this is here. This is over here. That goes together. And all of that is together. Where's your sisters? Yeah. Oh, I need black.
I don't have black hair.
Okay, we'll find some. I got some in my car. Or look in my Jackson, look in my closet, in my shoe closet. I know there's some in there. Take the jars out. And maybe get like a rag or something to dust the tops of those jars off. Look in my closet, in the shoe closet, I have all my shades in there. Okay, now, no, just take a dry cloth, right over there. Yep, dry. You don't want it to be wet because that's not the best high quality, you know, it's from the dollar store. We don't want it to rust is what I'm trying to say. Okay, now, yeah. And then we'll go ahead and get some of our ribbon. But Jackson on ribbon. To look for some shades for me. It's for my sermon. Inside the shade, you should see some of the shades. The cases inside the case. Okay, so all you're gonna do now is you're just gonna start assembling your jar. So you're just gonna open up the jar. Can you see? And then you're going to stick one of the puffy balls in. And then the what's your name on top. Make sure you can see the, you know, see it. Yes, front. And then just screw the jar on. And then we'll figure out some of this. You know, we'll put together a few pieces. And cut it, yeah. Put them on. Perfect. Not male-like, but I mean, we might have to stop at the Family Dollar. There's a Family Dollar on the way there because I need you to have some dude-looking shades. Okay, let's see if that's enough, you think, to tie around? Okay, cut it. Okay, now just take that and tie it around the, yeah. And Jackson, if you'll come and just help sister maybe by just taking off the tops. Then she can go ahead and put her what's your name in. We're just being helpful. Okay. There. And then for your brownies, you just take this one and you'll take, you know, one of those and one of these. And you can maybe use some of the gray to tie around.
Some of the gray?
Yeah. And then we'll just tie the gray around there. Let me see. Perfect. Just sit it over there. Okay, that's done. There you go. And you just tie a bow around that one.
What's the gray?
Gray and white, or some of the grays and the whites, because it goes with the blue. Right. Okay.
Okay guys, so we just finished everything. So what we did is we took, what is it, like I can't remember what exactly thing is called, but like this, you know, the thing that you bathe with. You get the idea. We stuffed that into the mason jar, and then we put the little bath bomb on top of it. We just screw the lid back on together, and then we had a red, a white, a gray, and then like a silver ribbons that we just like kind of put together, and we tied a little bow around them, and then we stuck a bow on the top because Mom thought it was a good idea, kind of like the cherry on top thing. And I brought them to my youth group, and they went over very well. Everybody actually enjoyed them. I made like the bath bomb things for like the girls of the group. The girls were all my age. And I made the hand mitten brownie things. I made those for my youth group leaders in the group. Now I have 4 technically, but one of them is gluten-free and dairy-free, so I had to be sensitive to what she could have, and so I gave her a bath bomb little thing, and she loved it just as well. So guys, thank you for being with us here on Vlogmas Day 3. They went over very well, and I can't wait for next year and see how I can create something different and new. But thank you guys for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. And share this video anywhere you like, and comment down below what you thought of my gifts for my youth group friends. And until next time, bye guys.